Cash App. How does Cash App work? Ever wonder how Cash App works? Cash App is an app that exists on your phone that basically lets you send money from person to person. Now, if I try to do the whole video, I'll do such a bad job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my friend Lala, her YouTube channel, I'll give you the information where to find out. This is where I got her video. She's going to explain it to you. And then later I'm going to show you why I'm sharing this with you, because it's actually helping me increase. See these bags, see these red eyes that I have? I'm working 2 jobs right now because I know that I'm not going to be able to retire just on working my 1 job. And Cash App is actually giving me a chance to be able to come up with a plan so that I don't have to work for the rest of my life. Alright, so anyway, let Cha-Cha, go ahead, Lala. I called you Cha-Cha. Lala, go ahead and take it over.
How does Cash App work? A tutorial for sending and receiving money online instantly with a $5 promo code. With Cash App, you can send money, receive money, get a debit card, and do direct deposit. After downloading Cash App, go ahead and open the app. Here, you'll find the main home screen. To view settings, click the top left icon. Here, you can invite people and get $5. You can add a security lock, see balances of cash, Bitcoin, your bank and your credit cards, add bank information, get a custom free Visa debit card and spend any cash you get immediately, auto add cash, change personal information, adjust notification and privacy settings, contact customer service, or sign out from this screen. To view your order history, click the top right on this screen. You can see your sending and receiving history. In order to request money, type in the amount and click Request. Next, enter the name, phone number, cash tag, or email of the person you want to send money to, and what it's for. Then click Request. To send or pay money, type in the amount you want to send and click Pay. Enter the name, phone number, cash tag, or email of the person you want to pay and what it's for. Then click the drop-down arrow to the top. Choose your payment method. As you can see, sending from a bank account is free, but sending from a credit card, there is a fee. Once you've made your selection, click Pay. Back at the home screen at the top, click Cash Card. This is basically the debit card offered by Cash. You can add cash, make withdrawals, and get discounts. I decided to order the Cash Card. After you place your free debit card order, you'll see a confirmation screen and something called Boosts. With Boost, you can get 10% off places like Taco Bell, Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, Domino's, and this is off each visit as of the time this video was made. So, go ahead and click and add your boosts. When you got the boost that you want, click Done. Cash App also allows you to use Bitcoin. Click BTC on the top right and it gives you basic info. Here, you can buy or sell your Bitcoin. You can also add your Cash App card to Google Pay. One other awesome feature about Cash App is that they offer direct deposits. You can enable direct deposits to regularly and automatically deposit your paycheck to your Cash App. When you activate direct deposit, you can spend money from your paycheck using your Cash App or debit card. I will point out, you need an activated cash card to enable direct deposits. When my card comes, I'll try and make a video to show you guys how to set this up. From the Cash App, you can also contact customer support. Click Contact Support. They will ask you which transaction you need help with, but if it isn't about a transaction, you can choose Not About a Transaction. They will ask you how they can reach you. I'll click Email, and I'll confirm my email. I'll click Yes, and the next screen is where you type your issue. There's also a general help menu where you can see information on the following: access an old account, missing payment, cancel payment, what is the cash card. Then you can click something else and it'll bring up can't access old account, cash card, receiving a payment, cash out, add cash, cash boost, Bitcoin, direct deposit, and help with account setting.
All right, so there you go. Lala just gave you exactly what it is that Cash App does for you, what it can do for other people, and the advantages, the discounts you get for being a member of Cash App. Isn't that exciting? I'm so excited for you. And like I told you before, if you're interested to see how Cash App can also help you grow your business, create an income that doesn't interfere with your current work, with your current projects, then go ahead and put your information in whatever button we have below, and you will be part of a community. You'll be part of a newsletter that will give you information that will always benefit you and help you grow. Always keep growing, always keep sharing, always keep loving. Love you.